Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Craig Richard Bee Farm. Today, Mr. Richard is here. He's going to do some hive check, and he's going to do also some honey extraction if there is any. Alright, so let's see all the steps that are needed for a proper hive inspection. Alright, so a tool that he's going to be using is called a smoker. Every bee farmer should actually have one. And also, this is the bee brush. This is what will get the bees off their frames. Alright, so what he's doing is actually smoking the entrance. It's actually preparing the bees to actually get ready for him to inspect the frames. So he has lifted the cover and he is now whoa, look at all that bee there. Alright, so this frame looks like it's actually a brood frame. Has a lot of lava. So what he's actually doing is looking for any signs of mite and any disease that is affecting the hive. Alright, so what we're seeing is some honey that has not been capped as yet. So what we're doing, we're going now from the super box to the brood chamber. Alright, so we're going to use a knife to actually pare the ends. The proper tool to be using is actually the Hive tool. Alright, so we're applying more smoke to calm the bees down. So this is what the brood chamber looks like. Alright, so we're doing some more checks to see if there is anything wrong with the bees or the hive itself. This is actually a male bee. It's called a drone bee. It's one of the largest, other from the queen bee itself. Alright, so it's lifting another frame. This one looks like a very good brood frame. Show that the queen is doing very well in the hive. Alright, so we see where the bee actually does do a lot of stinging, so you want to be extremely careful, especially when you're the video man.